Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to look your profile email in LinkedIn. So first of all, open your LinkedIn application. Now click on this profile icon on the top. Here, select settings. Now click on sign in and security. And here on the top, you can see the email address. Click on it. So here, you can find out the email address that you have used for your LinkedIn. You can easily add other mails or use it as primary mail. So yes, this is the way how you look your email profile in LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps you.